Hi everybody, and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video.
In the following video, we'll be taking a look at setting up a paid break. Once we have opened the software, we'll head over to the menu bar and click on Setup and then Breaks. In this new window, we'll head to the bottom left and click on the Add button. From here, we can give the break a description. In today's example, the break we are going to take a look at is the 30-minute paid break. For this, we'll change the total duration to 30 minutes. And the break condition we will change to paid. With a paid break applied, employees will be able to clock out and in again during the break range without being penalized. Then we move down to the minimum and maximum amount of hours per day that the employee will need to work for this break to activate. In today's example, we're going to change the minimum amount of hours to 5 hours, and we're going to leave it at 24 hours for the maximum. To summarize what we have done, this break will result in 30 minutes of time clocked out being allowed once the employee works more than 5 hours. Then let's move on to the last option here, max breaks per day per time category. This option will allow the employee to clock out the specified number of times during the day. For this example, we will be leaving it on 1. Now that we are done with those options, we can then click on the Save button. As we do that, an additional option has appeared, allowing us to count how many times the break activates. In today's example, we will not be using this option. Now let's have a look at a break that has been set up to allow the employee to clock out multiple times. For this, we're going to head over to the smoke breaks, 10 minutes each. And here we see that the maximum break period per time category is set to 6 times. Under that, we have the maximum duration per break, which sets the maximum number of times this break can be taken. In this case, the break settings allow the hour total to be split into as many as 6 breaks of up to 10 minutes each. Then another option appeared due to the break being set up as a multiple break. The option at the bottom is the Do Not Apply When Maximum Duration Exceeded option. When ticked, should the break time exceed the maximum duration set per break, it will be ignored. In today's example, we will not be using this option. Now that we've taken a look at all of the break options, we can then click on the Close button. Please note that when setting up a break, it needs to be applied to a day program to take effect.
That will be all for the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.